So, understand you've been selling SoConnect's new product, web listings?
Yeah, we have. So we engaged with Tim and Dan talking about, because obviously we sold Wi-Fi for a while, and then obviously moved on to SoReview. So they approached us with a web listings, which we call Lily Local Listings, yeah, just to work in. And it was one of those where it's almost too good to be true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because, you know, you look at these sideways and you think, well, hang on a minute, let me get this right. We're going to add, as we all tend to do in this industry, we're going to add additional recurring revenue to our customers, sell them a product which is fairly unique, that's going to add value to their business, yeah, and we make a margin out of it, and it's, you know, fairly low key, yeah. So we did the puppy dog close, yeah, where we gave it to the clients, we gave it free to the month, and then let them opt out.
Yes.
And that went down an absolute treat. I think we had, to be honest, on the first bill run, we had an increased volume of calls in, but only from, I would say, less than 10% of our base, asking about more information about what the service was. But from that, I think we had a 6% decline rate, which was lower than I anticipated. But no, it's been absolutely fantastic. And I think the nice thing for us is that we didn't have to proactively get involved that much, you know, in terms of the things that Dan and his team had done behind the scenes, you know, so, you know, getting all the data, implementing all the data, getting all the emails sent out to customers, pre-warning about what the service is all about, and then obviously, you know, providing us with the billing information for us to just add to our bill run and crack on. It's been fantastic.
And the onboarding was pretty simple?
Yeah, very simple. I mean, you know, those customers who want to take it a little bit further, obviously get a, you know, their own URL and their own access code, so they can go in. And there's a number of customers we've, you know, since with customer services have you know, phoned up and added their personal details to it. You know, many places where their opening times change or their days of the week change. So garden centres and things like that. You know, they've taken that a stage further. But lots of customers, if I'm brutally honest, have just accepted the service as another feature we've added as a value add, and we've had very little involvement with it.
Brilliant. And what would you say is the main benefits for your customers about it?
Well, again, the feedback we've had from the customers who fed back, yeah, have been that, you know, we had absolutely no way of being able to manage that online digital profile. Yeah, I mean, I remember from our side when we moved office 2 years ago, you know, having to do the Google thing was a pain in the arse.
Yeah.
It's almost like, you know, a backward step for 10 years in terms of, you know, having to wait a week before somebody posted something, before we could agree that we were here. You know, in today's digital world, it's incredible. So, you know, most of the customers that we've spoken to who have recognised the value of it have been about the quirky things. Yeah. So, you know, making sure that Just Eat, it's updated their platform. Nobody had any idea about how to do that, or Deliveroo, or Uber, or, you know, they never even thought that their address or details might be wrong on those platforms.
Yeah.
You know, BMW SatNav, for example. You know, I don't know about you in terms of your business. How many people try to find you in your business? There are either reps coming to see you and sell you something, or customers coming to visit you. Yeah. You know, they all have a high value vehicle, and, you know, if BMW is absolutely perfectly placed, then great. So no, it's a no-brainer. Is what I would describe it as. It's added a lot of value to the monthly bill run. Yes. Yeah. So can't tell you exactly how much. I'll have to shout you, but it's of reasonable value. Good. And the margins are great. So no, it's been brilliant.
And Pragma's other resellers, should they sell web listings, would you say?
Well, listen, you know, at the end of the day, we all like making money. Yeah. And me, like everybody else, likes to make recurring revenue. And I think, you know, if you look at the web listings as a product, same as we've done lots of other things in our billing to enhance our margin, as we all do, then it's an absolute no-brainer. The nice thing with this is it's not like a paper bill where the customer's penalised for taking a service. This is adding great value. Yeah, so, you know, how else is a customer going to manage their digital profile other than log on to every individual website and make sure it's right? It's almost impossible, isn't it? I wouldn't want the job, put it that way.